Past few days I've been exploring the Tioman Islands in Malaysia with my FPV drone, and I must say it's been an amazing experience. Beautiful isolated beaches and breathtaking nature. Ever since I got into FPV, I don't miss an opportunity, and flying FPV is experiencing nature from a unique perspective. So I'm here in the Tioman Island. The plan to come here was really unexpected because one of my friends got an opportunity to live stream a surfing competition and he invited me, and I obviously said yes because why the hell not? I've never shot surfers before and I think filming them with my FPV drone would be absolutely amazing. So we arrived in Tioman Island yesterday and we took a 4x4 car, cut through the forest and came to the other side of the island. And here we are at these two isolated beaches. The waves are amazing here. There's a surf competition right at the end of the beach happening right now. Morning was a bit misty and cloudy, but now the sun is out and I'm just gonna go take some shots of the surfers, hopefully not lose my drone in the process, and I'm really excited. Hello! This is your cat? You'll be greeted with many friendly cats as the local people love their cats here. Overall, I really like the chill vibe of the island. I've been very lucky to get to the island as it's still monsoon season and it's not open to public yet, which makes this trip even more special. I see the clouds coming in and yeah, look at that. Oh, damn. I'm gonna send it right now. Checking for line of sight. There's some people on the rock over there. That'd be nice. All right. Woo! Kind of windy out here. Go see my friend up here in the tower. There he is right here. Hey buddy, you having fun with my tripod? Well, I'm sitting on a tree log. Woo! Let's go. All right, we're gonna go check out these people at the rock over here. Signal's pretty solid. Let's see if you notice my drone. Oh my god, that's so cool. All right, let's go check out the surfers right here. Gonna wait for these. Oh no, I feel the rain. I feel the rain. All right, here we go. This guy's catching the wave right here. He fell down. $50 Mbps, pretty solid connection right here. Come on, I just need some really good wave. There we go. There we go. Hey! That's not bad, that's not bad, that's not bad. All right, let's do some low flying. Here comes the wave and this guy just caught it. Woo! Nice. Wipe out. All right. Come on. That guy's about to catch it. Gonna go a bit low. Here we go. Here we go, baby. All right, nice. All right, let's go right here. So 3.6 volts. This thing flies forever. This is an 850 mAh. I had a 1200, I have a 1100 LiPo as well, but I just took it out just to test the water. Seems pretty good. And after that, gonna change the pack. Okay, I feel the rain coming. I gotta come back right now. Ah, rain is coming. I gotta come back right now.
3 seconds, 12 minutes, 50 seconds.
Come on, let's go.
Situation in the water, situation in the water. We have third place of
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
with a total score of 280.
All right.
We need 351.
Good flight, good flight, good flight. Gotta go, raining. All right, I just flew, it's done. I just had amazing shots. The tides are picking up. I've noticed the tides pick up around evening. It's about 5:20 p.m. And look at the waves. They are insane right now. I managed to get some really nice shots of surfers and the waves. And yeah, it was absolutely amazing. My heart was beating so fast. Good morning from Tioman Island. Today is a very exciting day. Sunrise just happening right now. I'm grabbing my breakfast now. Ooh, coffee is good. And by the way, the place that I'm staying at right now is called Beach Shack, and they have the cheapest and the best quality food available, and their places to stay are absolutely amazing. So if you guys are here in this part of Tioman, definitely stay here. So I came to this beach. It's absolutely empty and it's really beautiful. There's almost nobody there. It's kind of an interesting place. There's a pier over there. I'm gonna fly and see what I can do here. Hey, no, what are you doing with me? I gotta fly that, buddy. Leave that drone alone. All right? There's so, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? No? What are you doing? The cats are cute and naughty at the same time. Hopefully they don't mess up my flight. Here we go! Now that looks amazing. Ah, there's a palm tree right here. Maybe circle it around. Woo! Nice. Take a look at the cats, man. Take a look at these. Take a look at these guys right here. Hello. Hi. See ya, psych. Woo! All right, let's go check out. We'll see what we can do. Maybe I think I can do a loop right here with this palm tree. Hold on, I gotta come back again. I messed this up totally. That over there in the distance is our beach where we were capturing the surfers, and I walked all the way to this beach. And honestly, this is one of the most beautiful and the most empty beach I've seen on this island, because this part, it's a bit hard to get to this part unless you're hiking or taking a 4x4. All right, let's do kind of circle this beautiful tree just like that. Wow, that's nice. Now we're gonna go. Yeah, it's a bit scary to go underneath that. Let's try to go underneath that. Oh, there is a motorbike that just passed by. Very nice. And then gonna come up here and do this loop of the tree. Voila, very good. Maybe go up towards the pier. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Woo! Look at that. There's some kids playing in the background. Okay, I'm gonna go towards, so the wind is on the other direction. I'm gonna try to go on the other side and come back and keep low to the waves. See what we can get. Very good. Woo, the birdie. 3.8 on the battery. This thing flies forever. It's been 5 minutes. I've been flying for 5 minutes. I gotta go a bit more back. Slightly more back. And now, let's go. Woo! That was close. And we're gonna spin around there to this tree. Very nice. Let's do a little dive. Closer to the waves. Beautiful. And reveal the beach. Very nice. I'm happy with that. All right. Gonna come see what's happening with the cats. The cats are just curious. Look at that. We got still a bit of battery left. I've been flying for 6 minutes, almost 7 minutes. This thing flies forever. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna come back because pretty much I have done. Wow, look at that. Let me go a little higher because I do need a shot of this thing. Wow, look at that. Woo. All right, I'm just gonna come back now. Coming back. Coming back to land. All right, that was a good flight. Cat's looking at my drone. All right, gotta unplug that.
This trip to Tioman Island was just amazing. Comment down below where would you like to see me fly next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.